My name is Cliff from Jaguarcliff Sushi Adventures, and today we are not going to have a reaction video, but a very different type of video. Today we're going to do an unboxing of something that I ordered from Amazon. As you all know, I'm a painter, and I usually paint with watercolors. And I've seen this watercolor called Kuretake. It's a Japanese brand, and yeah, I'm just super excited. But by the way, before I've been using this Prang oval semi-moist watercolors or aquarelle. It is very nice. It can be opaque sometimes, but if you have the right amount of water, then you can make it what's this? You can make it translucent. So they're very nice quality as well. Now, without further ado, let's go and open this thing up. This big boy. Taking out the packaging. Taking it out. Whoa. This is huge, man. Alright, so as you can see, it's a very big box. And it has like plastic wrapping around it. And let's just slide it down like this. Oops. It looks like, it kind of looks like a matcha chocolate or something. So, ooh, surprise. Wow. Very vibrant colors. We got the 48 color Kuretake Gansai Tambi. And this is the color chart. We're about to review how the colors all look like, and we're gonna put them here on the chart below. Okay, so we are back with our unboxing, and let's check how the colors go. Dry it off a little bit and take a little bit of color here to put on the color chart. So too much water. Tips for you guys: whenever you want to pick up the real color from your palette, make sure to wash your water or your brush with water, so it won't have like residual paint from the other colors you've taken. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just scratching a little bit on the surface just to take the color and brush it off on this thing. I didn't know how indigo looks like, but yeah, when I became a painter, I was able to see it on my palette, and I didn't expect it to be a family of blue, almost in the purplish bluish side actually. All right, so we're actually going into our purples now, and wait. Oh, by the way, let me just go back. This is lilac, cherry blossom pink, rose beige, natural beige, yellow ochre, one of my favorites as well, burnt sienna, maroon, Indian red, and we're going into raw umber deep. Raw umber is really good for shading. Like for example, you want to put a shadowy, like shadows, stuff like that. You can use raw umber, and then we have gray. Ooh, I used to just mix black and white for my grays, but now I have I have a pan of gray. How amazing is that? Now I need to change my. This is the time you need to change your water. This is the thing I like about this one. Oh, am I picking up colors? Might be hard to see. They got like metallic colors here. This one, first one is white gold. Oh yeah, wow! Look at the shimmer. I don't know if you can see it from there, but I'll show it later. I'll tilt the paper to the side so you guys can see. This one is bluish gold. I don't know why they say bluish gold. It's just gold for me. I don't see any blue in it. Or am I just stupid? And this one's gold. Oh, so this one's bluish gold and this one's gold. Now we're done with our brush. Make sure, just a small tip, make sure to rinse off your brush properly so there won't be like color or paint buildup in your brushes, which will ruin it in the long run. So if you want to preserve your brush as much as you can, as long as you can, then please wash them thoroughly before storing them to dry. Now, let's take a closer look at the palette. There you go. That's my review on this brand new palette that I have. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to buy your own Kuretake Gansai Tambi. And this is how it looks like what I said. It looks like a box of matcha chocolate, which is also from Japan. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. You'll probably see me painting with these colors. Like I'm going to give you some tutorials on an actual painting.